Hi, I'm Lindsay. I'm a student physical therapist. I'll be working with you today. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to be listening for your heart sounds, and I'm going to be listening to your lungs to hear how you breathe, okay? So before we get started, I just want to let you know this is going to be videotaped, and then also we're going to be performing what I just said. We're going to be performing an exam for your heart and lungs. Is that okay if we do that today?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm just going to have you roll that down it for me so I can listen to your heart sounds, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, perfect. So just go ahead and put your gun down. Just going to listen to these top two here and pull this down a little bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, awesome. So now I'm going to have you go ahead and turn around for me so I can go ahead and listen to your lungs, okay?
Okay.
And when we're performing this, I want you to take a slightly the normal breath, okay?
Okay.
And it's really important that you breathe through your mouth.
Okay.
And I can't see your facial expression, so I'm just going to be checking to make sure you're doing okay throughout the test.
Okay.
Get started. Okay, so that's it. Any questions?
No.
Okay, awesome.